Hi, everyone. Eric Reynolds with your Fox 10 News Now update. Scary moments for two men after the truck that they were in collided with a train. Now, we're told the crash happened Sunday afternoon near New Bay Bridge Road and Conception Street. First responders on the scene within minutes. Now, witnesses tell us that it happened so fast.
The train was coming by. They were speeding real fast and didn't stop and just hit it. Went up there, they were seizing. It was a big boom. They hit the train, so, and I know they felt this.
Witnesses say that the train likely didn't feel any impacts from the truck and just kept going on its way. Both men were taken to the hospital, and we're still waiting to hear from officials about their conditions. Mobile police searching for clues in a shooting which left two people hurt. Officers were called to the area of Dolphin Island Parkway, just south of Interstate 10, after reports of a car full of bullet holes and a man who appeared to be bleeding. The actual crime scene would be a little further south as Mobile police blocked off the roadway and putting out several evidence markers. The victims, a man and a woman, apparently drove themselves to Children's and Women's Hospital. We're told that they had minor injuries. Now, if you know anything about this shooting, please call Mobile Police right away. As COVID-19 cases surge, the push to vaccinate more Americans continues. Health leaders say the United States now is making progress with COVID-19 vaccinations. As of Saturday, more than 346 million shots have been administered in the U.S. Now, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, Saturday marking the 5th consecutive day of at least 700,000 shots delivered. The CDC says that 49.6% of Americans are now fully vaccinated, and 20 states have fully vaccinated more than 50% of its population. The nation's top health officials continue to stress that COVID-19 vaccine shots are the best way to beat the pandemic.
We're trying as hard as we can to make it as easy as possible for people to get vaccinated using trusted messengers.
Alabama and Mississippi are the two states with the lowest vaccine percentages at 34 and 35% respectively. Officials say that the average number of COVID-19 shots, though, has doubled in Alabama in the last 3 weeks. But they say that also the South still has a long way to go.
I'm meteorologist Michael White with your Fox 10 Storm Tracker report. Right now, most spots on shore are dry. A little isolated rain showing up offshore in the form of light rain with a few rumbles of thunder. Today is not going to be quite as hot as the stifling heat we dealt with this weekend or last week, and we are expecting rain and storm probabilities to rise. We have a front right along the I-85 corridor that is going to be drifting its way toward the south, and that's going to increase our probability of afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms. The coverage will be around 70% for today and for tomorrow, and we are expecting to see the heat levels and the humidity levels begin to diminish a bit, which is fantastic news, but still it's going to be steamy out there, so plan on staying hydrated and have the rain gear ready to go since the odds of showers will be much higher than they were last week. So here's your weather headlines for your Monday. Very humid for this morning. The rain chances are going to be higher today, and then as we go in throughout the long range, the weather not as hot as last week. Let's go through the Fox 10 Futurecast. Clouds and sun this morning. Shower and storm probabilities ramp up this afternoon. Heavy rain and lightning, the main culprits. And then as we head in toward the late afternoon and early evening, storms are very likely if you're north of Interstate 10. And then we'll begin to see the shower chances diminish into the nighttime hours, but they could still linger throughout the course of your Monday evening and then finally taper off late tonight and into Tuesday morning. So here's how the next 7 days are going to stack up. The highs will be in the 88 to 90 degree range the next few days. The morning temps go from the upper 70s back to the low 70s starting tomorrow morning. So the air will get less humid, and then we will see fewer showers and storms by the time the weekend arrives. We'll talk much more about your weather throughout the day right here on Fox 10 News Now.